Okay guys, so we got this Ford Edge. They complained that they had a generator code, and they said the lights inside would like flash or whatever. Look at that, lights went out. I want to show you guys what I think is happening. I think our battery voltage is going too high. If you look on here, it says 16.9, 15.6. Let's just do a full system scan. Actually, let's see what happens when we raise the RPM up. Oh, lights. At 16. Oh, the light, it just keeps flickering. There it went again. Look at that, all the lights cluster. We're at 17 volts. You hear the car? I'm gonna go grab, oh, it just stalled. I'm gonna go grab a meter. I want to see how high this is actually going. Okay guys, so we're gonna get a scope. We'll do a digital multimeter just so we can see it. Actually, you know what? We'll just go to we'll go to Labscope. I was gonna say we'll look at it on the digital, but we'll see what happens here when we start this up. He might have damaged his battery too. Okay, so we're at 12.29. Start this up. There we go. Let's see what we're at. 14, 15, look at that, 16. That we're at 16 volts. I don't know if the digital one will show up quick enough. He was driving it like this apparently. Everything just shut off, and that's when it came down to 14. See it there in the bottom. Let's raise the RPM up. 16. That spike at 16 was when the car shut off. I mean the dash shut off. We're coming up on 16. See that spike over 16 right there? That's what killed it. Here's the dash go off. Oh, we were at like 17.96. Look at that. All the lights are freaking out. You see the dash lights? They're going on and off. Look at our spiking. We're at yeah, we're over 16. That's when everything in here is like crazy. We're at 16. Let's go back to the digital so you guys can see it better. There you go. There you guys go. Now you guys can see what the car is doing. I just want to see what voltage it dies at. See that? So he's talking about the lights flashing. See how the cluster goes out? That's a common thing with Fords. When the cluster goes out a lot of times, it's over voltage. And this interior light just keeps going in and out. See, it just went in and out. So we were overcharging. I guess I ain't gonna die again. So, hope you guys like this one. Real quick one. Up there when it died. Hope you guys like it. See you later.